And another interesting thing that I've been experimenting with, I did an A/B test within Facebook ads between a dynamic ad and split ads. So a dynamic ad works by you put all the content in one ad, one Facebook ad, and Facebook will optimize that copy and images to whatever the user will experience. And interestingly, that my split ads performed better than my dynamic ads. So, just something to experiment. It could have been with these audiences that I used, but lately my split ads have always been outperforming my dynamic ads. So, just something to experiment, something to A B test, something that I thought was fascinating. And also some newest changes that are happening with Facebook is they are if you are spending less than $100,000 per month on each ad account, then you're going to be limited by only 250 ads, active ads, which sucks because I like if you run a lot of split tests, if you're doing a lot of A/B testing, 250 is not ideal. And I wish they wouldn't be implementing this kind of thing, but it's something that will be coming up very soon in the next couple of months. So make sure you get all your split testing, your A/B testing done right now, because in about a couple of months you're going to be limited if you spend under $100,000 to that 250 ad mark.